y is equal to x squared plus 4, the domain for that is, again, well, it can be any real value. It doesn't matter what I put into that, all values or all numbers will work. What will be my range though? Well, I'd say that y could be any real number such that though, something very special here, in y can't equal some values. And if we think about our graph of y is equal to x squared plus 4, that would be a parabola that would go through the value 4 as its y-intercept. Now this means that anywhere along here, all these values of y, my function could equal. Likewise, this going this way, all these values of y up here, my function could equal. My function is never going to equal anything that's in this area down here, or any of these values of y. So in fact, my question, or my answer I should say, needs a special condition. Y can be any real value such that y is going to be greater than or equal to 4. So what this means is that y would be anything above this mark 4, because that is the lowest value that I have there. If I had y was equal to 1 over x take 1, that is a reciprocal function. And if I look at the domain now for that function, I'd say that x can be any real value, but there's a special value that it cannot be. If I was to put 1 into this, I'd have 1 divided by 1 take 1. Well, 1 take 1 is 0, and anything divided by 0 is undefined. It doesn't exist. So I can't actually have that. And so what I'd say in this case is that x is contained within all real values such that x cannot equal 1. And my range then would be that y is contained within all real values such that, well, in this case here, for this to equal 0, well, the thing on the top would have to be 0. Because 1 divided by 0, as we said before, doesn't work, that's undefined. And so 1 divided by any other number can never be 0. Yes, it's going to get really, really close to 0, but it can never actually equal 0. So it cannot be 0.